The software industry is undergoing a subtle yet significant transformation. AI agents are emerging as powerful alternatives to traditional dashboards, reshaping how we interact with data and make decisions. For decades, software has relied on human input for analysis and decision-making. Users log in, access dashboards, manually filter data, and interpret results, making human involvement crucial. The hidden cost of dashboards. Modern business dashboards look powerful, but they depend entirely on humans. An employee must log in, search for information, interpret charts, and then take action manually. The software does not do the work. It only displays the work. This means productivity depends on how many people use the software, not how effective the software is. AI agents represent a fundamental shift in software interaction. They focus on user-centric goals, autonomously gather data, and execute actions based on user requests, streamlining processes, and enhancing efficiency. The difference between information and action. Traditional software answers questions. AI agents complete tasks. Instead of asking a CRM dashboard, "Show me overdue invoices," a user can ask an AI agent, "Find overdue invoices," and email reminders to customers. The agent gathers data, decides actions, and executes them automatically. This is not a better interface. This is a different computing model. The rise of AI agents is driven by advanced AI models, secure API connectivity, and a growing business demand for automation. This shift prioritizes speed, predictability, and reduced manual effort. Why agents are suddenly possible. 3 technologies matured at the same time. Large language models now follow complex instructions reliably. Software companies opened secure APIs to their platforms. Businesses demand automation instead of analytics. Previously, AI could chat. Now AI can operate software. This is why agents are appearing across customer support, finance, and operations. Organizations are increasingly adopting tools that automate tasks rather than just display information. Industry research and surveys highlight a clear move from manual interfaces to automated workflows. Risks to traditional SaaS companies. The economic shift. Most SaaS companies charge per employee seat, but an AI agent can do the work of multiple users. If one agent replaces 10 users interacting with software, companies will question paying for 10 licenses. The software still runs, but fewer humans log in. This is the real disruption. The landscape for SaaS companies is shifting. Dashboards may become obsolete, pricing pressures increase, and interfaces might be disrupted as AI agents take over primary user interactions. To succeed, SaaS companies should adopt API-first architectures, focus on actions and workflows, prioritize reliability and security, and design software that AI agents can operate within safely. What software will look like? In the future, users will not open software first. They will ask an agent first. The agent will interact with the software in the background. Humans will only open dashboards when something goes wrong or requires judgment. Dashboards will not disappear. They will become control panels, not primary interfaces. The future of software is workflow-centric, emphasizing outcomes and automation over visual elements. Companies that adapt to this model will be better positioned for success in the evolving landscape. Today, AI agents are no longer theoretical. They are already being used inside real companies across multiple industries. Instead of employees opening dashboards, filtering reports, and manually analyzing charts, organizations are beginning to simply ask questions in natural language. A finance team can ask for revenue changes. A support team can ask which customers are at risk of churn. An operations team can ask what is delaying shipments. The important change is not automation. The change is interaction. Users are no longer navigating software. They are communicating with software. And this is exactly the moment when dashboards begin to lose importance. Because dashboards require interpretation, but agents provide answers. Klarna provides a clear example from customer support. Traditionally, customer service software relies on dashboards. Agents log in, open tickets, read history, and manually respond. Klarna changed the workflow. Instead of employees navigating a service dashboard, an AI assistant now handles customer conversations directly. The customer is no longer interacting with a user interface. They are interacting with an outcome. The system reads account history, determines the issue, and resolves the request automatically. In many cases, a human agent is never involved. Notice what disappeared. The support dashboard still exists internally, but it is no longer the primary interface. The conversation itself became the interface. This is the first major shift. The UI moved from screen-based interaction to conversational execution. Now look at enterprise software. Salesforce is historically built around dashboards. Sales pipelines, customer records, activity tracking all depend on users opening the application and navigating screens. But modern deployments are starting to bypass that process. Instead of asking a sales manager to open Salesforce and analyze reports, companies are using AI assistants connected to Salesforce data. The user simply asks a question. Which customers are at risk of churn? Create a follow-up task. Summarize recent activity. The AI retrieves the data, interprets it, and performs actions inside the system. The important observation is this. Salesforce did not disappear, but the dashboard stopped being the primary experience. The software became an engine, not a workplace. Nexi Group shows what an agent-first interface looks like in the real world. Instead of customers logging into a banking portal or support staff navigating multiple internal tools, users simply talk to the assistant. The AI agent securely connects to back-end systems and performs real actions, such as blocking a lost card, reissuing a replacement, or retrieving transaction history. The system now handles thousands of customer interactions every day, while maintaining strong satisfaction levels and reducing the need for human support escalation. In other words, the agent is no longer just answering questions. It is executing workflows. This is important because the customer never sees the internal dashboards anymore. The assistant becomes the interface to the company's operational systems. The software interaction model is evolving beyond dashboards to embrace conversation and automation. Long-term value lies in mastering workflows and interactions, not just visual interfaces. For more insights into AI and investing, visit aistockshub.com. Remember, investing involves risks, and it's important to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions.